All right. Most songs that you know are made up of a series of chords. There's basically 6 that are normally used in most songs. Not every song. You'll learn how to add some extras. But a lot of songs just use first 6 chords that I'm going to show you here. And some are major and some are minor, and there's one diminished. Okay, and the diminished one we don't really use in songwriting as much as the other ones. So we're going to learn about those. If you play a C chord, here's your C, right? That's major, okay? Now, if you go to D with white keys, we're only playing with white keys. That's a minor chord. You can hear it sad. Back to C, major, D is minor, and it would be D with a small m, okay? C would be just called C. That's C, D minor. You could play the bass notes with me too. And then go to E minor. So that's minor too. So let's go back to C. Major, D is minor, E is minor. Now, here's where you get to your next major chord. F is major, G is major. All right, so F and G are both major. They're right next to each other. So an easy way to remember is that in a key, in a major key, there's 3 major chords and 3 minor chords. Okay, and then there's one diminished, and we'll talk about it in a second. So your 3 major chords are the 1, which is C. We're in the key of C, so we call it the 1. F is the 4. That's your other major chord. And then your 5 chord is G. That's major too. So those are your 3 major chords. Ready? Play C, major. F is major. G is major. Back to F. C, F, F, G, 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 F, F. These are your 3 major chords. A lot of songs from the 50s use this progression. Twist and Shout is a good example of that. Wild Thing, okay? And so those are your 3 major chords. That means the rest are minor, so it's kind of easy way to memorize that. So D is minor, E is minor, and what's the other one that would be minor? Can you think? Which one do you think would be minor? F and G are not, right? So it would be A. So D, E, and A are your minor chords. Let's play a D minor, E minor, back to D minor, E minor. Notice how I'm holding the bass note down too. Back to D minor, E minor. Now let's go up to A minor. Those are your 3 minor chords. Let's just practice again. Go back to D minor, E minor, A minor. You can stay there for a minute. Back to D, D minor, right? E minor, A minor. Good, those are your 3 minor chords. So now if you went to B, you're gonna notice it's a little spookier sounding. It's called a diminished chord, okay? So it's a minor chord with a flat 5, so it just sounds kind of spookier. Now, it's not as common to see that in a song, so we're gonna kind of, for now, pretend that we're not gonna use that chord when we're thinking about songwriting, just for now, okay? So we have 6 main chords to use. Most of the songs you listen to use those 6, not the diminished chord, okay? And you have 3 chord qualities. Here's a major. Play your 3 major chords. C. What's the next one? F. What's the next one? And G. Back to F. Play your 3 minor chords. D minor. What's the next one? E minor. What's the next one? A minor. So right away, if you're going to write a song, you can pick happy or sad, and these chords will shape your song. Here's a sad song. Let's play D, E, A minor. Ready? 4 each. Ready? Here we go. D minor, E minor, right? A minor. Now let's make a happy song. Let's have it go C to F to G. Ready? On C, go. F, G, back to F. happy and sad. So that's what makes knowing these chords so cool, because when you want to write a song, you can start with just the chord progression. Decide you can have some happy chords or some sad chords. Let's try one last chord progression. I'll just make it up, okay? So let's try A minor, so our song's going to be kind of sad. And then let's go to G. And let's go to F. And let's go back to G. So we have 3 major chords and a minor chord. What's interesting about this is that just because we started with a minor chord, it's going to tend to have a sad sound, even though we have a few major chords. Let's try that. Ready? Play 4 beats on each. Ready? So A minor, play 4 of them. Go. G, F, G. A minor, that's our song. G, F, G. Land on A. So you can hear it's got a minor sound, mostly because we started on A minor and we ended on it. Okay? Head on over to the assignment.